Today we're going to learn how to master the Delchev on the rings. Even if you're not a gymnast and don't intend to learn this skill, you may find it interesting to see the techniques and methods that allow gymnasts to perform the skill. The Delchev is one of the coolest and most aesthetic tricks on the rings. Although it's only rated a B on the code of points, which is kinda low on the difficulty scale, it's always a crowd pleaser. I performed the Delchev on the rings from a very young age. The Delchev is more of a balance move rather than a strength move, but it does require a lot of flexibility. You have to be fairly flexible in the center split in the pancake position like you see here. When I first started working on this skill, I would just swing up, flip back a little bit, and straddle my legs and try to put my calves on the rings a little bit. Each time I would attempt this drill, I would swing a little higher and try to flip my body over a little more each time. Here you can see how the body rotates like a straddle backflip very quickly, and then the butt circles around over the head very fast. This is the key to getting your body on top of the rings. Once you rotate your body enough to sit on the rings, it's just a matter of finding the right balance to consistently stay in the Delchev position. If you happen to kick too hard and fall back out of the Delchev, don't worry, it's safe. You will simply fall back to a hang as your legs come off the rings. If you have trouble flipping around to reach the Delchev position, try a stronger swing into your Delchev. As your technique improves, you're going to find that you won't need as much swing into the skill to perform it correctly. Here's a great drill to help you find the proper balance position and get a feel for what the Delchev will feel like when you actually swing into it. Get a spotting block that is close to the level with the rings and sit on it. Put each foot between the rings and your arms like you see here. Now you can tilt forward and backward a little bit until you can press your feet or your calves down strong enough on your arms to push your bottom off the spotting block and eventually balance in the Delchev position. This will also help you find the most comfortable and stable position to place your legs on your arms. Some people like them closer to the ankles, while others like them on the calf. This drill will also help you find the sweet spot where to place your legs on top of your arms. Once you find the proper balance point for the Delchev, you will see how it really is just a balancing rest move. Another exercise to help comfort and consistency in the Delchev is to get on a low set of rings and kick up one leg on your arm. You can pick your standing leg up and put your body weight on one side of the Delchev to see how it feels and to get used to the position. You can also try different positions on where to set your leg on the arm. This can help you find the most stable and consistent placement to master your Delchev. Make sure to do this with both sides. I believe one of the biggest struggles many gymnasts have when learning this skill is they don't turn over enough or flip over enough, and they simply fall out before being able to sit on the rings in the Delchev position. It's a beautiful skill and it always got the crowd behind me, and it was also a very nice rest move shortly before my dismount. Have fun with it. It only takes about 5 minutes a day just to work on the Delchev a little bit, and over a short amount of time you'll get a feel for it and ultimately master the Delchev. If you like this video and would like to see other videos like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also leave in the comments of any other skill you might want me to analyze or to teach. Keep it fun. We always learn better when we're having fun. Rock on.